Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing the system up to date and minimizing variables. Install the latest Xbox update and any pending game patches, then connect via wired Ethernet. If you must use Wi-Fi, pick 5 GHz and set the console closer to the router. Toggle power mode to energy saving and perform a full power cycle. Hold the front button for 10 seconds so the cache clears. Once done, make sure background downloads are paused so bandwidth isn't shared. Now you tackle routing and service priorities to remove latency spikes. Set a static IP on the Xbox and create a DHCP reservation in your router so the console keeps the same address. Enable UPnP or explicitly forward Xbox Live ports, especially UDP 3074, and check DNS settings by switching to fast public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Then inspect your router or ISP tools for CoS, SmartByte, or throttling services and disable them. Finally, stop other devices. Finish by isolating software faults and, if needed, restoring the system properly. Uninstall and reinstall the affected game using Manage Game to remove local corrupted files first. If problems continue, download an offline system update to reinstall the console OS, and only then consider a factory reset after backing up saves to the cloud. As a troubleshooting tip, if lag remains identical after these steps, try a different
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.